had the ability with the afterburner to go from 0 altitude to 30,000 feet in 3 minutes. And again, I'll take you back. It was 1960, and that was an awesome feat. Randy coming around off to your right. 36 years as a pilot, 32 years of airshow experience, highest time MiG-17 pilot in the West, board member of the Historical Aviation Memorial Museum in Tyler, Texas, and a founding member of the Thunder over Cedar Creek Lake, an airshow fundraiser, raises funds for 3 military charities. Right down on the deck, Randy Ball.